and welcome back to another VLOGOWEEN video.
So this is the disaster. That is my office at the moment. Oh my word, look at the state of it. Seriously, you guys, I can't even, what? Oh my god, okay. So basically, this is what we're going to be working on. And I'm going to start with this black bag here and get the shoes finished putting away. But there's just so many shoes, like there's not going to be space for all the shoes that are in this bag. But let's just see how we get on and just get something done. Ah! Okay, so I have actually made a little bit of progress. Put all the shoes away. And then I've sorted like some, down here was a total mess. That box there is like Halloween stuff. So obviously there's nowhere for that to go until I take the Halloween stuff down. There's no point putting that back up in the loft for like 2 weeks. So I'm just going to leave it there for the next couple of weeks. And then I've put like all the storage stuff in there. So we've made a little bit of progress. But look, there's still loads to do. My problem as well is like I don't know where to put everything. Like I just don't know. Oh. Hello guys, I'm just having a face mask. How do I look? I just thought I'd come on and be like, oh yeah, also, so I don't know how much I've told you guys, I volunteer at my local church and we do a playgroup thing. And it's really, really good and the kids love it. And I got a uniform, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get, I actually really like this colour. Maybe I'll go with this colour. I'm gonna get the uniform made for my childminding as well. And what else did I want to say? I'm doing a photo shoot tomorrow. I'm doing a steampunk photo shoot. I don't know if you guys will have seen. I don't think I'm going to be able to show you. Oh, come on. It's so annoying. It proper does not want to focus. But I can't like... Sort of. So I did some steampunk nails and basically just went over the nails that I already had on, which you guys... But yeah, I just thought I would catch you guys up because I've not really vlogged much this week. And it's just been so busy and such a crazy week. I'm not going to tell you guys why until like in a couple of weeks. And then I'll explain why I've been trying to get so much done and it's been kind of busy, but yeah. So, next week's vlog... Yeah, next week's vlog will be like... I don't even know. And then the week after that's going to be a really exciting one and I can't wait to show you guys. So I just thought I would come on and tell you all that I'm doing a little face mask. I'm going to get myself sorted because I'm doing this photo shoot tomorrow, a steampunk photo shoot. I've even made like some dreads. I'm going to try and show you guys that as well. It's taken so long. It's taken, I don't even know how many hours. I've been doing it for like a week and a half, but it's taken a long, long time. Okay guys, so all of this was tidied, but then I needed to use all my makeup the other day. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try and put you somewhere. Although I don't know where because I'm going to be in the way, but I'm just going to kind of like put you down and let you guys watch me kind of tidy this area. I just don't know where to put you. Interesting. So that's kind of looking a bit better now. I feel like maybe speed cleaning and maybe doing speed cleaning videos is probably quite a good idea and it might actually get me keeping like things tidier. When I do my tidying, I just take my time and I do little bits at a time. But then it's like by the time one place is tidied, then the next place is a mess again, and maybe like I need to do more speed kind of cleaning. So I'm going to do this little area here now because this is a total mess. But if that's something you guys would like to see as like a regular thing, like maybe once a month, a speed clean of the office, a speed clean of like the salon, a speed clean of the nursery, or whatever, like once a month, like each room, I don't know. Just a thought, you guys. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. And yes, let's, what do we have here? Right, okay guys, I think I've made quite a bit of progress now. I would carry on, but I'm running out of time to get this vlog like edited and that for you because it's Sunday now. And I do want to get this up for you guys. There hasn't really been that much going on in it, just sorting this room. But it's definitely looking a lot better now. So, like, the cat's obsessed with any black bags. But it needs vacuuming. It's still a mess, but this is a little bit better. I've sorted all the shoes out. I need to get some more of these drawers. These are really handy for stock. I'm really liking them for stock. I think they're going to be perfect. But I need to go through all of these drawers and organise my stock. So that is probably going to be a video at some point. This is looking fine. That's just going to stay there till the end of Halloween and then that'll be gone. That's my giveaway, so that'll be gone at the end of like Halloween. Yeah. This area all needs sorting. So what I've done is I've just put a pile here of the things that were over here, but the things that need to go downstairs. So this little pile here is to go downstairs. And then I need to sort through everything else, I guess, and find places for things. But this area is a lot better now. I feel like I want to go through these shelves and organise them. And I want to go through these shelves and organise them. I want to go through like these bits here and get them organised. And I also want to do like this drawer is just where everything's been thrown. This is supposed to be like my daily usage everyday drawer. But it's ended up just being like when I've used, say for instance, a different highlight for a night out and I've ended up just shoving it in there and things like that. I'm such a mess right now, but that's what's ended up happening. But I want to go through it again, have it as like what do people call it, like makeup, basically like the makeup of the month. Well, but it won't just be for the month, but I need to go through and organise that. I've got loads of drawers that I need to go through and organise, and if you guys are interested, we can do it together. I do think I'm going to start doing more of those videos on my channel. But I think they're probably going to be vlogs because nothing really happens. Like, I don't get to vlog that much exciting stuff. I mainly just work. All I do is work, work, work. But I'll still vlog the other little random bits, but there might only be like 2 minutes worth of footage of me just saying, oh, this happened and I did this. And then the main set of the video might be organising my makeup drawer or speed clean of the office or whatever. So let me know what you guys think about that idea. I hope that you've enjoyed this vlog. I'm going to carry on and keep sorting, and that will come in like vlogs to come. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see some more cleaning and organising type videos that are like more main videos and not just vlogs, let me know down below as well. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.